Look at this, your question number 7. Out of every 12 bulbs, 3 are defective. How many defective bulbs will be there in 100 bulbs? Here we are asking defective bulb quantities. Which one is given? Completely is given. In 12 bulbs, 3 are defective. And that in question, what is asking? In 100 bulb, how many bulbs are defective? First of all, which one two quantity is given? First we have to write bulb and defective. This two quantities has given 12 and 3. 12 bulb, in this 12 bulb 3 are defective, and we are finding for 100 bulb how many bulbs are defective. Then we are writing x. Which one digit is asking? That we have to write there x. What is the according to question? Here is asking how many defective bulbs. That's why we are taking this one x. Next, after that, we are using our proportion one method. Using our proportion formula, product of extreme is equal to product of mean. That method we are using, and after that we are finding our fourth term value. 3 multiplied by 100 equal to 12 multiplied by x. Then after 300 become here 300, here 12x, and easily you can find the value of x. And here the defective piece value is your 25. In 100 bulbs, 25 bulbs are defective. Next one question. The scale of the map is this number is given. Scale of the map is this in this ratio is given. This one is your scale, and this according to 1 centimeter is according in this map, the distance is your this much. What will be the actual distance between two towns if they are 2 centimeter apart on the map? Scale is given and asking about distance. If we are taking on map 2 centimeter scale, what is the distance in between of 2 centimeter scale? Look at this one. First of all, which one two things are given? Scale and distance is given. 1 centimeter scale is there, then distance this much. Then we are writing like that. First two quantity you have to write scale, distance, then after scale and distance. 1 centimeter, then after this much is your distance. If we are taking 2 centimeter scale, what is the distance we are finding? That's why we are taking x here. And after that, using product of extreme, product of mean. After that you will get like that 1 into x, this you have to multiply, then after you will get this one digit. This is your 1 crore centimeter. Now this centimeter you have to change in kilometer. In caution it is not given you have to change in kilometer, but you have to change for our facility. That's why we are changing in kilometer. It is a very easy for readable also, and you have to write easily. That's why we are changed into kilometer. And you know the method how to change in kilometer using this formula. King Harry died, mother did not cry much. We are going from backward, so that's why we are divide in by 1 lakh. When I divide by 1 lakh, then I will get 100 kilometer. I change this digit 1 crore centimeter, I change into kilometer, then I will get 100 kilometer. Next question, question number 9. The ratio of present age of two girls 3:5. The ratio of present age of two girls. In ratio, that is the present is given 2 girls 3:5. You have to change 2 digit. You have to separate this ratio digit. You remember in previous one question how to separate ratio one digit? Take one variable. You are taking one variable. I am taking one variable here x, and then I separate this two girls age. First girl age is your 3x and second girl age is your 5x. Now stop this statement here. Next, forward your question. 5 year ago the ratio of their age was 1:2. 5 year ago यानी 5 साल पहले what is the age of their girls? 1:2 in ratio 1:2. Find the present age. We are finding present age, but given condition only this much. 5 year ago the ratio of their ages was 1:2. Now we are using this clue and find the value of find the present age of these girls. Now look at this one. First of all, what we did, let the present age of two girls is 3x and 5x. Then after we think about 5 year ago. You just suppose that right now what is your age, and before 5 year ago what is your age. Think about, and same as I did here also. 5 year ago that girl is suppose 3x a year. So then 5 year ago what she has is 3x minus 5, I reduce 5 here, and same as in 5x also I reduce this 5 here also, and then after the ratio is become 1:2. According to this statement I did this work. First I reduce 5 here age, and after that the ages will become 1:2. So according to this caution, after that I write here like that. You can write also like that. 3x ratio 3x minus 5 ratio 5x minus 5 proportion sign, after that 1:2. Now then after in fraction you can easily write it 3x upon 5x minus 5 equal to 1 upon 2, and we are using cross multiplication method. After cross multiplication method, just separate the variable term and constant term according to transposition method. If you are changing the digit, you change the digit sign also. After you will get the x value, x is equal to 5, and if you're getting x value, and now you know it where you have to put in percentage. What is the percentage? 3x and 5x. 3x means 3 multiplied by that one digit is given 5, and 15 here and here 25 here. Now question number 10. A train covers 180 km in 3 hours. How much time will it take to cover 240 km? What is the given? Kilometer and time things are given. Which one is given? According to that another one we will find. These things are given, time and distance. You have to write distance and time, proportion sign again distance and time. Which one is missing? You have to write there x. After that use proportion method, product of mean equal to product of extreme, and you can get the value of x.